Welcome back to another video. Today we have Makita circular saw, unbelievable deal. This is the lowest we've seen it. Big shout out to my man Tool Boss for posting this first. He did have this first. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. It's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. Yes guys, this is the lowest we've seen it. This is the Makita 36 volts 218 battery combo kit with the two dual port charger, a bag. Definitely check it out. It's the 18 volt LXT 36 volt brushless cordless 7.25 circular saw with kit with 5 amp hour battery. $194 guys, but if you guys do the hack, you guys get the free. You guys select the free item, select the battery, add both to cart. Guys, the battery itself, these batteries are so expensive. That's $100 is what one costs, maybe more than $100. You're getting two batteries. Even it's not even like Toolbox said, it's not even worth to hack this thing. These batteries at $100, two fives. But check this out. Look at the saw with two batteries, a charger, and a bag. $91. $91. That is cheap. That's cheapest. The lowest we've seen it. Go get them out there. I'll leave the link down below in the description. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.